Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to show Google search bar on home screen on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who like to look up for something or search for something, so yeah, the widget of Google search bar will helps you so much. So yeah, in this video I would like to share you how to show the Google search bar widget to your home screen. Alright guys, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to home screen on your cell phone first. Alright, and then now you can pinch on the playing spot over here, and then now you can go to widget menu, and now you can scroll down and look for Google widget, and then after that now you can click for applying to your home screen, and then now you can adjust the size of your widget, and also you can adjust the position. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the result, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.